I request His Excellency the Governor to please present these awards. I also request the competent team to escort these clients to the stage as I call out their names. It is worth mentioning that some of these very senior individuals have travelled all the way from Delhi or Bombay, and we really appreciate their special effort. Representing Airtel, we have Mr. Rohan Relin, Senior Vice President of Customer Services. Representing Reliance Communications, we have Mr. Vivek Gangwar, National Head of Customer Services. Representing Idea Cellular, Mr. Sudhir Pradhan, Chief Operating Officer. I also request his colleague to join him on stage. Representing Quadrant Televentures, which you all better know as Connect, is Mr. Anupinder Singh, Chief Operating Officer. Representing Tata Teleservices, we have Mr. Ravindra Upadhyay, Vice President, Corporate Commercial and Head of Operations. Representing Videocon D2H, we have Mr. Gaurav Bajaj, All India Head of Customer Services. There are some institutions whose continued support has been invaluable in our journey. We are fortunate to have with us today the General Manager of State Bank of Patiala, Mr. D.V. Suresh Kumar. They have been our bankers since the very beginning and have helped us through the finances. Now, in a call center, as you all know, the most important ingredient other than manpower is electricity. So without the support of the State Electricity Board, this would not have been possible. So I invite the chairman of Punjab State Power Corporation. Oh, I'm sorry for that confusion. He's been called elsewhere by the Chief Minister, so he's not here with us. But we still appreciate the role of Punjab State Power Corporation. And now, finally, in a group of professionals with financial services, IT services, customer services, how do we run a blood donation camp? we don't have the medical expertise for that. And we have been extremely fortunate to have with us the support of the best institute in the region, the Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research. And representing them, we have the Medical Superintendent of PGI, Mr. Anil Kumar Gupta, who is already on the dais with us.
I will request my colleague Professor Neil Verma to kindly come and it's she who deserves this thing. Give a big hand to her.
I would like to mention here that Competent has been privileged to partner with the PGI, and through 12 camps we have collected 3,762 blood packets at an average of about 315 blood packets per camp. And not even one would be possible without the support of PGI. So thank you very much. And I would request Dr. A.K. Gupta to please share his thoughts with us, because the blood donation camp is not possible without his and his team's support.
His Excellency Professor Kaptan Singh Solanki sir, Chairman of the Competent Group, Shri Sanjay Tandon ji, Mrs. Priya Tandon ji, Saraj, and all the dignitaries sitting on the dais and off the dais. It's a great privilege for the PGI to be associated with such a good group called Competent, whose motto is to serve. And I can say with a lot of confidence because I'm associated with the PGI for the last 20 years and linked with the Competent group from the last 15 or so years. I have the privilege, the first camp was also organized and they sought my involvement also. Not only blood donation, Competent group is doing amazingly great job, which most of you may not be there because they do without announcing it, without marketing it. For example, in even yesterday also, Sri Sanjay Tandon called me. He said there is a patient who needs heart surgery. Doctor Sahab, if you can help him by pushing in little funds here and there, fine. Otherwise, all rest will be chipped in by us. If you are unable to chip in even the little one, the whole will be on us. This is the example I am giving you of only last 24 hours back. And he has been giving assistance to large number of patients. For example, every month he used to deliver 10 kits for cataract surgery. He has been delivering 8 or 10 courses of cancer patient every month. You need a problem, I will give a call to Sanjay sir, we need such thing. Lo and behold, it is delivered and it is never announced. He says, please, please, please don't announce it, don't trace it. Such is the passion he has. I must say two more things, that all of us need to emulate him for the passion to serve he has. Amazing. Another thing I will share is that I'm too small a person, but then when he says that Anil is my mitra, I'm humbled. Sir, you say you give to the society 1 tenth. I don't know what 1 tenth is, but I know that 1 tenth, some small share comes to PJ, and from our standard that small is huge, and I wish you progress much more. Your 1 tenth exceeds anybody's imagination. That according to you, that small portion increases tremendously and the society gets benefit from you. I wish nothing but the best for you, because you have given the best of society. God bless you, you get the best. With this, I, on behalf of myself, PJ, and my senior director PJ, who incidentally is out of country, thank the Competent group for every effort they have contributed, every help they have extended, helping the poor and needy at PJ Chandra. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. I think kind doesn't begin to describe how kind he's been to us. If I can speak on the behalf of the chairman, I want to say that sir mentioned his spirit of service. I want to say that he gets that from his parents and from his divine guru, Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba, without whose grace, I don't think we can do any of the service or the business that we run in this group. Moving on, आज हमारे बीच हमारे महामहिम राज्यपाल हरियाणा और पंजाब के श्री प्रोफेसर कप्तान सिंह सोलंकी जी हमारे साथ हैं। मैं उनके बारे में आपको कुछ बताना चाहता हूँ। उनका जन्म पहली जुलाई 1939 में हुआ, मध्य प्रदेश के भीम डिस्ट्रिक्ट में। उन्होंने बीएड करने के बाद इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में एमए की और सिर्फ 19 साल की आयु में वे अध्यापक बन गए और 40 साल फिर उन्होंने अध्यापक का रोल अदा किया। आरएसएस में प्रांत कार्यवाह एवं प्रांत प्रचारक के तौर पर कई वर्ष तक उन्होंने मध्य प्रदेश में एवं राजस्थान में कार्य किया। भाजपा में उन्होंने पहले मध्य प्रदेश में और मध्य प्रदेश के महासचिव का और फिर महाराष्ट्र व राजस्थान के राज्य संयोजक का दायित्व निभाया। 2009 में उन्हें राज्यसभा के लिए चुना गया और एक बार फिर 2012 में चुना गया। अभी उनकी सेकेंड टर्म राज्यसभा में खत्म नहीं हुई थी, मगर उन्हें हरियाणा के राज्यपाल का दायित्व जुलाई 2014 में सौंप दिया गया। फिर जनवरी 2015 में उन्हें पंजाब का भी दायित्व सौंप दिया गया। तो सोलंकी जी, आपकी असीम कृपा है कि आप आज हमारे बीच आए। हम इससे बहुत हर्षित हैं, बहुत खुश हैं और मैं आपसे गुजारिश करना चाहता हूं कि आप प्लीज़ यहाँ आकर हमारे बीच अपने ख्याल रखें। गवर्नर साहब।
आज के आयोजन के चीफ होस्ट कॉम्पिटेंट ग्रुप के चेयरमैन, साथ में चंडीगढ़ भाजपा के प्रदेश अध्यक्ष मेरे मित्र श्री संजय टंडन जी, अन्य महानुभाव जो मंच पर बैठे हैं, श्री एच.एस. खुराना, डायरेक्टर कॉमर्शियल कॉम्पिटेंट ग्रुप, श्री रंजन चावला, डायरेक्टर फाइनेंस, डॉक्टर ए.के. गुप्ता, मेडिकल सुपरिंटेंडेंट पीजीआई, मिस्टर रजनीश खट्टर, पूरा टंडन परिवार, इस अवसर पर उपस्थित आमंत्रित महानुभाव और विभिन्न सर्विसेज के हेड जिनको सम्मानित भी किया है, अपने अपने ग्रुप को यहाँ पर वो प्रतिनिधित्व भी कर रहे हैं। कॉल सेंटर में कार्यरत सभी भाई और बहनों, प्रशासनिक अधिकारीगण, मीडिया पर्सन, आज का आयोजन विशेषकर 13th ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप के रूप में है। लेकिन इसके माध्यम से बहुआयामी विभिन्न प्रकार के कामों की जानकारी भी आज हम सबको यहाँ पर प्राप्त हुई है। आप में से बहुत कुछ को तो जानकारी प्राप्त होगी, लेकिन मुझे पहली बार प्राप्त हुई है। मेरे आने का एक ही मकसद था कि जैसा संजय जी ने बताया कि अब तक 12 कैंप आयोजित हो चुके हैं और उनके पूज्य पिताजी मेरे मित्र श्री बलराम जी टंडन हर एक में उपस्थित रहते थे। आज वो छत्तीसगढ़ के महामहिम हैं और इस कारण से यहाँ पर उपस्थित नहीं है, तो उनके आग्रह पर मैंने उपयुक्त समझा कि उनके स्थान पर मैं आप सबके बीच में उपस्थित